Well, hello there. Have you ever thought about diving into the world of real estate? It's a venture that's not only exciting, but also incredibly rewarding. Fancy building something grand, not with clay, but with bricks and mortar? Imagine creating a space that people can call home, a place where memories are made. Real estate might sound frightfully complicated, but it's simpler than you think. With a bit of knowledge and the right approach, you can navigate this field with confidence. Everyone needs a place to live, so there's always demand for homes. Whether it's a cozy apartment or a sprawling house, people are always looking for a place to settle down. Property is a real, tangible asset, one that usually grows in value over time. Unlike stocks or bonds, you can see and touch your investment. Think of it as planting a money tree that also provides shelter. Over time, your investment can grow, providing both financial returns and a sense of security. You're not just buying a building, you're investing in a patch of the world that can earn steady income and appreciate. It's a piece of the earth that you can call your own. You don't have to start with skyscrapers, maybe just a single flat to rent out, or a fixer-upper to transform. Small steps can lead to big rewards. Real estate lets you be creative, practical, and helpful all at once. You can design, renovate, and improve properties, making them more valuable and appealing. It's grounded in a real human need, offers a solid way to grow your savings, and is full of opportunities. From rental income to property appreciation, the potential is vast. With the right approach, it can be an incredibly rewarding journey. You'll learn, grow, and maybe even have a bit of fun along the way. So let's get our tools ready and start shaping your new enterprise. The world of real estate awaits, and it's full of potential for those willing to take the plunge. Before you buy your first property, it's time for a research adventure. Become a detective in your local area. Walk around, note which streets are lively, and spot the best schools and shops. Check property websites to see what homes are selling and renting for. Compare prices to spot bargains and understand the market's rhythm. Learn who lives in each area, families, students, retirees, and match your property to their needs. If students dominate, a multi-bedroom flat might be ideal. For families, a house with a garden. Look into future developments. New stations or shopping centres can boost an area's value. Local council websites often reveal these plans. Doing this homework lays the foundation for your future success. It's the most important step to avoid a wobbly start. Now that you've done your research, it's time to get properly dressed for the occasion, meaning get the right education. You don't always need a degree, but formal knowledge gives you confidence and credibility. Look for real estate investing or property management courses. Many are available online or at local colleges. Learn the legal essentials, contracts, tenant rights, and transactions. If you want to be an estate agent, you'll likely need a license. Check your local requirements. Even if you're just investing, understanding the rules gives you an edge. Read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos to keep learning. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Build a solid foundation before you switch your business on. Every great real estate entrepreneur needs a business plan, a simple, clear blueprint. Start with your main goal. Be specific, like earn £500 per month in rental income within 18 months. Outline your strategy. What type of property, which neighbourhood, and why? For example, find a 2-bedroom flat near the hospital for high rental demand. Decide how you'll find properties, daily online searches or working with agents. Include the numbers, estimate costs, deposit, legal fees, repairs, and expected income. This helps you see if your plan is profitable. A good plan keeps you on track and avoids disaster. It's your business's storyboard, plotting your path to success. Keep it simple, focused, and actionable. You have a plan. Now you need the fuel money. The most common way is saving up for a deposit, showing lenders you're responsible. The rest usually comes from a mortgage backed by your solid plan and savings. If savings fall short, consider partnering with someone who has capital but lacks time or expertise. Share the work and profits, but always have a clear agreement. Explore creative financing. Sometimes sellers offer seller financing, or government schemes help first-time buyers. Research what's available in your area. Finding the money is a puzzle, but persistence pays off. Be resourceful and clever. There's more than one way to fund your first property. With ingenuity, you'll find the pieces to start your real estate adventure. You can't build a real estate empire alone. No matter how determined or skilled you are, the journey is simply too complex to go solo. The property world is full of moving parts, and having the right people by your side can make all the difference. A strong network is essential. It's the foundation that supports your ambitions, helps you avoid costly mistakes, and opens doors to opportunities you might never find on your own. Start with a knowledgeable estate agent, someone who not only understands the market, but also takes the time to understand your goals and preferences. Choose an agent who knows your target area inside and out. Build genuine relationships with them, not just transactional ones. Because agents can tip you off to great deals, hidden gems, and off-market properties before they hit the market, giving you a valuable head start over the competition. Add a reliable mortgage broker to your team, someone who can explain your options, answer your questions, and help you secure the best possible financing. They'll compare loans, negotiate on your behalf, and make sure you're not paying more than you need to. And don't forget a solicitor to handle all the legal paperwork, contracts, and fine print, protecting your interests every step of the way. Trust and communication are key. Work with people you feel comfortable with and who are open and honest with you. Ask for recommendations from other investors and don't be afraid to seek advice or second opinions. Assemble a list of trusted tradespeople, plumber, electrician, painter, handyman, so you're ready for any repairs or renovations. Find them before you need them. Preparation saves headaches later. Attend local property meetups or join online forums to expand your contacts. Share your plans, ask questions, and listen to the stories of others. You'll learn from others' experiences, avoid common pitfalls, and discover new strategies for success. The more people you know, the more resources and support you'll have at your fingertips, and the more opportunities you'll find, sometimes in the most unexpected places. Your network will help you turn plans into reality, offering support, guidance, and encouragement when you need it most. Remember, a good team is your secret weapon, one that can help you overcome challenges and achieve your real estate dreams. Let's get to the nuts and bolts: buying, selling, and renting. Whether you're stepping onto the property ladder for the first time or just curious about how it all works, understanding the basics can make a world of difference. Real estate might seem complicated, but with the right guidance, it's much more approachable than you think. Once you find a property that catches your eye, your agent will help you make a competitive offer. They'll guide you through negotiations and answer your questions. Meanwhile, your solicitor takes care of the legal side, checking contracts, making sure there are no hidden issues, and ensuring the process is smooth and secure. After your offer is accepted and all checks are complete, you'll sign the contracts. This is the moment when the property officially becomes yours and you get the keys to your new place, a huge milestone. If you're renting out a property, your job is to find a reliable tenant, use a proper tenancy agreement to protect both sides, and make sure the property is safe, clean, and well maintained. Regular inspections help keep things running smoothly. Being a good landlord means handling repairs quickly and communicating clearly with your tenants. Addressing issues early builds trust and keeps everyone happy. Thinking about selling or flipping a property? Start by buying a fixer-upper that has potential. Renovate wisely. Focus on updates that buyers love, like kitchens and bathrooms, but don't go overboard. Improvements should add real value without blowing your budget. Compare costs, plan ahead, and always keep resale value in mind. Work closely with your agent to set a realistic price. They'll help you market the property, attract buyers, and negotiate the best deal possible. Stay organized, keep all your paperwork in order, respond to messages promptly, and track important dates. Good organization saves time and reduces stress. Treat everyone with respect, from agents to tenants to buyers. Building good relationships makes every step of the process smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it's all about taking one step at a time. Master these basics, And each property journey will get easier, more rewarding, and maybe even a little fun. Even the best plans can go awry. Here's how to dodge common traps. Don't skip research. Rushing in can land you with a bad property or unexpected repairs. Always budget for extra costs, legal fees, taxes, renovations, and surprises. Avoid getting too emotional. Focus on the numbers, not just a pretty fireplace. Make sure the rent covers all expenses and appeals to local tenants. Don't try to do everything yourself. Know when to call in professionals. Your solicitor, accountant, and tradespeople are worth their weight in gold. Build a contingency fund for the unexpected. Stay business-minded and organized. Avoiding these pitfalls keeps your venture on a steady path. You've bought your first property. Now think long-term. Real estate wealth builds slowly as property values rise and mortgages shrink. Once your first property runs smoothly, use profits or equity to buy another. Equity is the difference between your property's value and what you owe. Grow your portfolio one property at a time. Keep clear records of income and expenses for each property. A good property accountant can help you stay tax efficient. Keep learning. Markets and laws change, so adapt your strategies. Stay connected with your network and keep improving. With patience and persistence, your real estate business can become a lasting, prosperous venture.